Hey guys, welcome back to JPD Vlog Channel. Ayun, sorry guys, delay yung upload natin nung unboxing kasi maraming nangyari. Sobrang busy sa work, ang daming activity, birthdays, company events, and hindi ko ma-upload guys yung yung video ng natin unboxing kasi nga na-delete. Di ko alam kung nag-corrupt ba siya kasi tinransfer ko siya sa another device. Kaya at kaya yun, medyo na-delay talaga siguro 10 days or almost 2 weeks na akong hindi nakakapag-update. For today's video, kung natatandaan nyo guys, nagkaroon ako ng yung car wash vlog. So, binasa ko talaga lahat ng comment nyo kasi nga bilang hindi naman ako expert sa pagka-car wash. So, ang dami ko nakitang mga recommendation saka suggestions nyo guys na para mas ma-improve pa yung yung car wash kasi nga mas maganda ikaw talaga yung nagka-car wash kasi para yung caring assured ka na hindi magagasgas yung sasakyan mo. Kaya yon, sobrang overwhelming yung mga comments niyo guys. Yun nga, yung mga afford kong bilhin right away is in order ko na. Kaya ngayon guys, samahan niyo ako sa ginawa kong unboxing challenge.
We're gonna start opening the box.
Okay, what is this all about?
First box. This one. Can you guys see it? Okay. I wonder what's inside. He's opening the package like a present gift.
Kasi malapit na rin birthday ni Tito.
So he's opening like
So I give myself.
he's opening like a present gift from his birthday. Also his birthday is almost here, so say happy birthday in the comments. Let's go back
Hindi
to the
talaga ako
video.
nag-unboxing guys, kaya first time natin mag-unbox.
Yes.
Kasi hindi naman tayo pala bili ng kung ano-ano.
Tama. Hindi natin alam ano binibili natin. Make sure have a parent next to you when you're using
Scissor?
scissor. Make sure have a parent watching you using scissors, because maybe you can hurt yourself.
Kapawis naman to. Kakasimula pa lang siya. Mamaya gagamitin din natin ito sa car wash ha.
Okay.
Sia will help me in my vlogging because my partner is busy doing the laundry.
And doing all of the chores.
All other stuff.
Chore stuff. So that's why I'm taking this for now. Well, there is literally 3 package inside of 1 package.
Yes.
One.
We have here, and we have here.
It's 3. Opening the first one. Open Susanay. I'll open it up like a crazy boy. The partner of JPD is busy doing chores, something. I don't know. But I'm gonna be his partner for now.
Yes. Thank you for helping me, Zia.
Yes.
Zia is a good girl.
Oh, it's like soap. Is it soap? It's another blue thing. Do you guys know what blue thing in on the car wash videos before? He's opening like crazy. Oh.
Okay. This one, guys.
wiper washer siya. 1 liter lang siya from Guapo sa TikTok shop. So, try natin. Kapag ka low na yung ano natin, yung wiper consumable, try natin to. Makakatulong to. It's only a 99 pesos, I think. So, we're gonna move on to the next parcel.
Second package. Second package in package. Second in package in package. I don't know. Have you guys seen somebody open Shopee like this? Or Lazada before?
This is it. The Ultra Foam Car Shampoo. Hindi pa naman ubos yung ganito ko, pero nag-refill na ako para isahan na
What
lang.
do you guys think
Guwapo
what this
shampoo
is? Here is the third package. JPD. It's hard to open.
Gumagana ba tong gunting siya? Maganda pa kamay niya. Pero, so,
I don't know what is this. We're gonna open this later. Under. It's a sprayer, guys. Sprayer. I don't know what to call it, so but did you? Oh, hi, kitty. Nga
nakatakip pa siya.
a broken part. A broken part.
Hindi siya broken part siya. Hindi siya nilagay kasi baka matapon. So, this one guys is the iron blaster. Pakita ko
I am
sa kabila
blaster. Pew, 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 pew.
para. Sa ano siya? Sa mga contaminant, pantanggal
Got the
ng
next
parang
one.
degreaser siya. Lalagay natin mamaya sa gulong.
I'm looking at the next one. I think it's a car wash cleaner in the edges, I think. Open this next.
And this one naman guys,
It's a car wash cleaner on the side.
yes,
You put it on the head.
kung natatandaan nyo guys, gumagamit ako nung sponge. And some of you guys, sinabi na try ko tong mist. Mist yata ang tawag nila dito, mitts.
Yeah,
Mitts, microfiber wash mitt. So, itatry natin ito mamaya when we are doing the car wash. So,
How
nabili
long
natin
is the
to sa
car
Tuval.
wash?
Siguro 1 or 2 hours. And, oops, mabigat yan siya. Ito naman, try din natin ito sa pampabula or pampatuyo. Absorbent cleaner.
It's a sponge cleaner. It's a sponge.
Okay,
It's a sponge cleaner.
dito naman po tayo.
Big package today.
Ay,
Dun, dun, dun. There's already a hole.
oh. After plastic, there is a bubble wrap also.
There's another plastic in a plastic, but it's already broken. Oh, I love this thing before. Yes.
So what is this guys? I'm gonna punit na.
You're
Pero-
crazy. So I was gonna use that book.
Okay. I'm super excited.
Do you guys
with
like the
this.
SMR? It's buckets! It's heavy. It's heavy. The buckets have something. I found something. What is that red thing? But ew. What's that? It's like we're doing the old-fashioned way. Breaking everything.
Okay.
AKA destroying.
Super excited kasi. So, this is
Found something.
today we will do 3 bucket car wash. 3 bucket style car wash.
How? What is this, guys?
This is
Can you guys see this?
they say
What are those?
ang tawag nila dito guys is grit guard.
I'm afraid of holes.
Oh,
Just
grit guard siya guys.
JK.
So, ito siya.
Third one.
Ginagamit to para sa kapag may dumi. Yung mga dumi is dito pupunta siya sa loob, tapos hindi na siya mahalo ulit sa tubig, kaya may grit guard. And may mapoprotectionan niya yung sasakyan from scratches kasi may ipon niya yung mga dumi sa ilalim ng bucket. And itong binili natin is
A whole bunch of buckets.
so hindi siya pang ano guys, hindi siya gagamitin sa ibang ano. So meron tayong rinse. Meron tayong wheels. And meron tayong wash. Wash. Oh, di ba? Ito guys, additional unboxing kasi umabol siya sa umabol siya ngayong araw. In-order ko siya sa TikTok. Ito yung EWD, Early Warning Device. Very helpful to guys. Very helpful to guys kapag ka nasa nasa biyahe ka. May unexpected na nangyari. And required to guys Alam ko required to by law. So, yun siya. Mura lang to, parang less than 200 pesos. Ganyan siya guys. Ilalagay ko sa description box din yung link nito guys. So, yun siya guys. Ayun guys, yun. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa ginawa kong unboxing challenge. Kapag meron pa kayong suggestion guys, comment down below para makonsider and masama siya sa mga nire-review ko. See you sa road trip natin, sa mga next review natin. And marami kaming mga pinaplano pang pupuntahan. Hindi lang namin alam kung saan kami kukuha ng budget. Tune in to JPD Vlog and marami kaming pupuntahan sa mga susunod na mga araw.
Thank you pala guys sa pag-subscribe sa channel ko. Almost 250 na ako as of July 21. And yung target namin is maka 500 subscribers until next month. Yan guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to JPD Vlog channel and marami pa po tayong i-upload ng mga Kia Sonet and other related videos. Thank you guys. Thank you. Paano matirahan, pero magandang na.